Observe carefully. This ETH chart appears to have been controlled by sellers, as the price has been making consecutive lower highs and lower lows, pushing down from the 1772 zone to around 1759. But the interesting point is at the end of the chart. The large red candlesticks are getting shorter, indicating that the selling pressure is weakening. At the same time, the price touched the lower edge of the Donchian channel and couldn't push further down. After that, a small green candlestick closed above the previous low, signaling that buying pressure was coming in to support the price. Looking at the CRSI, we see it around 37 points. Although not very strong, it's bouncing up from the low zone, indicating that the speed of selling pressure is decreasing. Therefore, this isn't a strong upward surge, but rather a sign that selling pressure is weakening and money is entering the market at a key support level. This is why the price stopped falling towards the end of the chart, and it's starting to build a base, waiting for a short-term rebound.